knowledge nexus.
The 21st century is witnessing an unprecedented technological revolution, one that is reshaping every aspect of our lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing how we live and work, integrating into our daily routines in ways we never imagined. AI has the potential to usher in a new era of efficiency, automating tasks, and processing vast amounts of data with speed and accuracy unmatched by humans. This technology is revolutionizing industries by optimizing processes and reducing human error. This transformation is not merely about replacing human workers with machines, it's about creating a synergy where both can coexist and complement each other. It's about augmenting our capabilities and freeing us from repetitive, data-heavy tasks, allowing us to focus on more meaningful work. This allows humans to focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and innovation. By leveraging AI, we can push the boundaries of what is possible. The future of work will be a dynamic interplay between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence, creating new opportunities and challenges. This collaboration will lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and efficiency, transforming how we approach our work and achieve our goals. Industries across the board are already feeling the impact of AI, from manufacturing and healthcare to finance and customer service. The integration of AI is driving innovation and improving outcomes. The question isn't whether AI will change the world, but how we will adapt and thrive in this evolving landscape. Embracing this change will be key to unlocking the full potential of AI. The impact of AI is being felt across various sectors, revolutionizing the way industries operate and innovate. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems are automating assembly lines, making production more efficient and cost-effective. This increases production speed and efficiency while reducing errors, leading to higher quality products and lower operational costs. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and develop personalized treatment plans, enhancing patient care and outcomes. The financial industry is leveraging AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and personalized financial advice, making financial services more secure and efficient. Customer service is another field being transformed by AI, with chatbots and virtual assistants providing instant support and resolving queries with increasing sophistication, improving customer satisfaction. These examples highlight the transformative power of AI, showcasing its potential to reshape our world. However, this technological revolution is not without its challenges, including ethical concerns and the need for robust regulations. Job displacement is a real concern, as machines take over tasks previously performed by humans, leading to significant shifts in the job market. This requires us to rethink education, training, and workforce development to prepare for the jobs of the future, ensuring that the workforce is equipped with the necessary skills to thrive in an AI-driven world. While AI excels at processing data and automating tasks, it lacks the nuanced understanding and emotional depth that humans bring to the table. Certain uniquely human skills will remain invaluable in the future workforce, ensuring that we continue to play a crucial role in various industries. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are areas where humans still hold a distinct advantage, even as technology advances. Creativity is essential for innovation, developing new products, services, and solutions that can change the world. Critical thinking allows us to analyze information, identify biases, and make sound judgments, which are vital for informed decision-making. Emotional intelligence is crucial for navigating interpersonal relationships, building trust, and fostering collaboration in any work environment. Complex problem-solving involves tackling multifaceted challenges that require adaptability, ingenuity, and a deep understanding of human behavior and motivations. These skills will be in high demand in the AI-driven workplace, where human insight complements machine efficiency. As machines take over routine tasks, the ability to think critically, creatively solve problems and work effectively in teams will be paramount for success. The transition to an AI-integrated workforce presents significant challenges. Job displacement is a pressing concern. As automation increases, certain job sectors will inevitably shrink, leading to unemployment and economic disruption. Addressing this challenge requires proactive measures, such as reskilling and upskilling programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. Ethical considerations also come to the forefront. Bias in AI algorithms, data privacy concerns, and the potential misuse of AI for malicious purposes are issues that need to be addressed. Developing ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment is crucial to ensure that this technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. Section 5. Education and Upskilling. Equipping the workforce for tomorrow. Thriving in the age of AI necessitates a fundamental shift in how we approach education and workforce development. Traditional education models need to adapt to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge required for the jobs of the future. This includes a strong emphasis on STEM fields, data literacy, and digital skills. Equally important is fostering creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Lifelong learning and upskilling will be crucial for individuals to remain competitive in the rapidly evolving job market. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses must collaborate to create comprehensive programs that provide individuals with the tools they need to adapt and succeed. Section 6. The imperative of ethical AI navigating the moral landscape. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into our lives, it is imperative to address the ethical implications of this technology. AI algorithms can inherit and amplify existing biases present in the data they are trained on, leading to discriminatory outcomes. This requires developing mechanisms to identify and mitigate bias in AI systems, ensuring fairness and equity in their applications. Data privacy is another paramount concern. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising questions about data security, ownership, and the potential for misuse. Establishing robust data privacy regulations and frameworks is crucial to protect individual rights and prevent the erosion of trust in AI technologies. Section 7. Collaboration. The key to unlocking the full potential of AI. The future of work is not about AI replacing humans, but about humans and AI working together to achieve common goals. Collaboration between humans and machines will be essential to unlock the full potential of AI and drive innovation. This requires fostering a culture of collaboration, where humans and machines are seen as complementary forces rather than competitors. Human-centered design principles should be at the forefront of AI development, ensuring that technology serves human needs and enhances our capabilities. This collaborative approach will enable us to leverage the strengths of both humans and machines, leading to more innovative solutions, increased productivity, and a better future for all. Section 8. Embracing the future, a call to action. The rise of AI presents both challenges and opportunities. It is our responsibility to navigate this transition thoughtfully, ethically, and with a focus on human well-being. Embracing the future of work requires a multi-pronged approach, encompassing education, upskilling, ethical guidelines, and a commitment to collaboration. By embracing lifelong learning, fostering creativity and critical thinking, and ensuring the responsible development and deployment of AI, we can harness the transformative power of this technology to create a more equitable, prosperous, and fulfilling future for all. The future is not predetermined. It is shaped by the choices we make today. Let us choose wisely and build a future where humans and AI thrive together.